your shampoo, kind of shampoo.
Salon. This hair wash. Anything to say to your auntie?
He looks good for that chubby cheeks. Yeah. He kind of looks like Anna's baby picture now.
Imagine if that was you.
Oops. I'm like, gotta focus on.
I wasn't. That's crazy.
Get all the goopies out of your hair. You like that, don't you?
She's watching all that cookie stuff on the No, he's good. He's really good.
They usually love their first hair wash. Don't like their bath so much, but they like their hair being washed. Oh, goodness, but not dried.
She washed him really well. Thanks for doing a great job.
Oh, you're welcome. Show off your little baby hawk.
So cute.
Where's the camera? Justin, you want to bring the camera?
Here's baby hawk.
Oh, cute. Oh, so cute. That's pretty cute.